Today we are working on a 2009 Forester. It rained a couple days ago. It's cold as shit out here in Sacramento today. That headlight decided to turn into a fish tank, so we're gonna replace that. We're gonna attempt to replace it. So probably all we'll need. First things first, come over here. There's a bunch of clips up here. These guys. Gotta remove these. These are the clips to the grill. You can do it with a flathead screwdriver. You can do it with a clip remover. Got this on eBay. $5. That's for the grill. And got one tiny one here for the headlight. And remove that. Now over here, so I'm gonna need a Phillips. Right here, there's a for the bumper. There's a little pin. And the ones from the factory, you push them in, and then they pop out. This one's got an aftermarket one in there, screw type. Use our clip remover and break it out because then if you just pull on this slowly, it will pop out of its plastic piece. And then we had removed the grill clips here, so the whole thing would move. If you just gently just see, the whole thing on this side is loose. We gotta loosen the other side as well. It's got the same type of clip over here. I'm gonna break it because the other one broke. Then we'll put new ones in it. See, now the whole front end is loose. This whole thing is loose. Now, the way we're doing it, we're kind of cheating. We're supposed to, there's a bunch of plastics down here. I mean, not plastics, a bunch of more clips down here. If you get underneath it, you'll see. You should take those off too and take the whole bumper off. But I think we can get around to getting whatever we want out right about here. So there's one number 10 right here, needs to come out. There's one up here that needs to come out. There's one up in the front that comes out. So I'm gonna take this one out first. And you drop it, it's okay. There's one up here. It look like this, with a little lip onto them. There's one right in here. See his number 10 right here? If we take this guy out, there's one here, one up here, and one right in here. If you just lift up on this tab, let me just lift. I got this tab right here. This tab clips into here. It's just to hold it. Pull on that, and the whole headlight becomes loose. You need to make sure you unplug it. There's a plug right here. Right here. Right here. This thing. You gotta push on that. And it's stuck underneath it, so a little bit. You see all this dirt and dust? Just pull the headlight out. See all the dirt and dust that's right here? This is what creates the plug from coming out so easy. But here's our fish tank, and gotta make sure I have another headlight. Alright guys, so the old headlight, I went and got a new used headlight from sspparts.com. We're gonna go and put this puppy in. Make sure that the headlight you get has a bracket on it. If not, you can remove this bracket, put it onto here. One number 10, one screwed, another number 10 here. You can remove the bracket and swap it over. So we're going to put this in. What you want to do is, since we're cheating, just pull this back and just kind of slide this headlight in here as is. You can plug it in later. What I would do is just slide it up, and this pin I was talking about up here, we'll kind of just hold it. See, that's holding. What I do is put the top one in first. My hand. So now the headlight, not gonna fall. Then we're gonna plug it in. It's right here, and just plug it in. Sorry. You turn the car on. I want to test the headlight after we put it in to make sure that everything's working, because to get these light bulbs right here, it's a pain in the ass. So we can turn the lights on. Yep, it's working. Turn signal. You don't have to turn the car on, just print the accessory and then okay, turn signal. Okay, everything works. Alright, perfect. So since we tested it to use the headlight, everything works. And number 10, this little bracket has a hole right here. Make sure you put this 10 back into it, and you can hand tighten it. And put this bolt, goes right in here. Then grab your gun. You want to make sure that this is all lined up perfect, and then you go ahead and tighten there, tighten this guy down here, and then the one up here in the front, right here. There you go. Headlight's sturdy. You put this top little guy back into its this guy back into its home. We'll go ahead and slide this bumper back up and over. Whatever clips were in there is broken, so we're gonna pull this out so we can put new ones in it. These are the ones I'll put in. These are nice and sturdy. They don't come off as easy as the ones from the factory do. Pliers will work. This will work. There we go. I'm assuming the same as on this side. Usually the factory clips are a different setup. These are aftermarket ones. They work just as good. A little too good. We got the new used headlight on, and now this thing's hanging. What you want to do is you can just pick it up from the bottom here and just slowly make sure that these guys slide in up over here. So if you lift up from here, then you'll break these stupid little tabs in this bumper. So grab it from the bottom here and slowly go up. And see these guys? This is how easily it just slid up into place. Put your foot over here to hold it, and put a couple of these clips in here and here, so the bumper doesn't want to fall back off. And then you can come around here, and if you can see down here, see it doesn't want to fit. You gotta go over that lip, and then these guys just pull up a little bit and push it. We'll pop right back into its spot. You want to make sure these liners This is gonna be on the outside now. This needs to be on the inside. So make sure you know, it's easier while this is still unclipped to make sure that that goes on the inside, and then this goes over this one, and then let's go back to the other side. So now we're doing the other side. You pull this back, you know, make this guy clip in, and then pull up on your, and then we got to replace these clips right here. Make sure we got these guys to go back into their spots. All the clips are back in, all the bolts are back in. We've already plugged the headlight in, so we know that works. Only thing we're missing is those two little clips on the sides. Let me go grab a couple. The factory clip is a little different setup than these clips I'm going to use. You could use the factory ones. You could use these. I found these on eBay. They work pretty well. They're a little harder to put in. There's a little hole right here. If you go ahead and put that in, it's a screw. You screw it in with your hand. I just take my tool and push up on the clip and just slide it all the way in on that side. We'll do the other side as well. So here's the clip. Put it in here. You can screw it in if you'd like. I don't have the patience for it. Let's take the handle, put it on the clip, and just push it in. See how it looks? Nice and easy. That's how you replace the headlight. You could take these bottom clips all out and take the whole bumper off if you want, make it easier. But that's the fastest way of replacing that headlight.